Hello everyone, I am going to show you today how to make pork carnitas in the pressure cooker. The recipe comes from Song Lewis, so I hope I pronounced her name right, and it's from this cookbook here. As you see, this is the only cookbook that I really dive into, maybe because she has a lot of the wide range of different recipes in here and not just like Vietnamese. She's Vietnamese American, so it's got a lot of Vietnamese food in here as well. And the Vietnamese chicken curry came from this cookbook. And yeah, this is really good. I am so happy that I'm going to show you the recipe because I really liked it. So let's get cooking. Here I have pork shoulder. It's cut into a 3-inch chunk, and this is a little bit over a pound, and because it's the two of us, so I'm gonna half the recipe. This is not in the recipe. I add garlic and 1 onion. It's really small. Here's the oregano. She recommended Mexican oregano, but I don't have any right now. And then chipotle chili powder, just a little bit of that, and bay leaf. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my saute mode and saute it in here. I'm sauteing the pork chunks in avocado oil. It's about like 2 tablespoons, and try to get it all brown on each side. Throw in the onions and just kind of stir it around to get all the bits and pieces out, and then add all your pork chunks and juices. Then I added chicken broth and half a chicken cube, and so I just stirred it all up. I was talking to my husband, so I forgot to show that I added salt, oregano, chili powder, chipotle powder, and the bay leaf. As usual, I will have the recipe in the description box. Now I'm going to close it up and seal it up so it will pressure cook it. Sorry, it's going to be on beef and stew mode for 50 minutes. Be careful when you release the pressure. So yeah, look at this, guys. Oh, I am so ready for this. Oh, smells so good. This is mine right here, so I'm gonna dig in.